Hello, today me, Darika Asakova and InstaForex TV will present you the latest Forex news. China authorities can promote further growth of the Japanese yen against the US dollar. China is preparing for visit of the American President Barack Obama, which is due this week. In this connection, the People's Bank of China signaled that it is going to allow the Chinese currency to advance versus the US dollar. That means that the Bank of China will cut the dollar purchasing with the purpose of supporting the yuan's stable rate against the American currency and that the yuan will be less competitive. This will be positive news for Japan government and consequently for the yen. Despite that China used to accept a steady increase of the yuan against the greenback since July of 2005 to June of 2008, this policy was declined with the global crisis beginning last year. This recession put at risk the economic activity rise prospects of the leading world economies, including China. Certainly, a possibility of yuan uptick can be considered as diplomatic gesture prior to Obama's visit, because this uptick was mostly caused by failure of the People's Bank of China to back up a strong national currency rate. This sentiment was stated in the quarterly report on the bank's monetary policy. In some period, the Chinese authorities were not satisfied that the yuan is patched to the dollar, and they were going to take measures for the country's currency strengthening. At the same time, it is well known that the government of China can make concessions in the last minute before key negotiations with the US officials. Nevertheless, there are a lot of reasons pointing to that the yuan upward movement versus the US currency would be beneficial not only for China, but for all others. Presently, when the global economy is on the way of recovery, the Chinese authorities don't need a guarantee of activity's sharp surge in the country anymore. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Darika Asakova. Thank you for watching us and goodbye.